Okay, finding the x-intercept in step 1. So I'm setting f of x, which is y, equal to 0. So 0 equals x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. Multiply both sides by x squared plus 2, and we get x squared plus 1 equals 0, which means that there will be no x-intercept because x squared cannot equal negative 1. So there is none. Then when we take the y-intercept, we let x be equal to 0. So we have 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 2. So we're getting a y-intercept of 1/2. Step 2, I want to find the vertical asymptotes. Well, when I take the denominator and I set it equal to 0, I have x squared equals a negative 2. This is always going to be positive, x squared plus 2. Therefore, there are none. There are no vertical asymptotes in this problem. Step 3 is the horizontal asymptotes. I look at the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. They're both a degree 2. So since the degrees are equal, then it's the ratio of the coefficients of each of those x squared terms. So it's 1 over 1, and I'm getting y is equal to 1. So let's look at the long division. Don't forget that we have to put in x squared plus 0x plus 2 in the divisor and x squared plus 0x plus 1 in the dividend. So that this goes in one time, x squared plus 0x plus 2, changing the signs of each of the terms in the second polynomial. We're getting a negative 1. So our remainder is negative 1 over x squared plus 2. That's our remainder. And since that remainder is negative, I know that I'm not going to get any values above the horizontal asymptote where y is equal to 1. It's going to stay below that. So when I graph this, it has a y-intercept of 1/2. It's just going to be a graph that's going to go this way and this way. It can't drop below, it can't be going down because it's not going to intersect the x-axis. We have no x-intercept here.